In this video, I'm going to cover how you can make $5,000 a month by starting an automated YouTube Shorts channel. Even if you're brand new to this with no degree and no experience, by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what to do. So, let's get into it. Understanding YouTube Shorts. First, let's talk about what YouTube Shorts are. They're short videos that are 60 seconds or less, and they're in a vertical format. Think of them as YouTube's version of TikTok or Instagram Reels. The beauty of Shorts is that they're quick to watch, which makes them more likely to be watched all the way through. This is really good for the YouTube algorithm because the longer people watch your videos, the more YouTube promotes them to others. That's why Shorts are a great way to grow a channel quickly. And that's important because the more your channel grows and the more views you get, the more you'll get paid. But I'll talk more about the money at the end of this video. Picking your niche. Now, let's talk about picking a niche. This is a super important step because it's going to define your entire channel. A niche is basically the main topic or theme of your channel. You want to choose something that you're either passionate about or have some knowledge in because you'll be creating a lot of content around this topic. But how do you pick the right niche? Start by thinking about what interests you or what you enjoy talking about. Do you love cooking? Are you into tech gadgets? Maybe you're passionate about fitness or celebrity gossip. These are all potential niches. The more specific you get, the better. This is because when you're super focused on a specific area, it's easier to attract a dedicated audience. Setting up your YouTube channel. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. First, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, go to Google's homepage and create an account. Once that's done, head over to YouTube and sign in with your new Google account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and you'll see an option that says, Create a Channel. Click that. Now, you need to pick a name for your channel. This name should reflect your niche. For example, if your niche is about the latest gossip about actors, you might name your channel something like Celeb News or Scandal Celebs. Your channel name should be easy to remember and spell. After you've chosen a name, you'll be asked to upload a profile picture and a channel banner. These images are really important because they're the first things people will see when they visit your channel. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create these. You can use a free tool like Canva. Canva has tons of templates that make it easy to create professional-looking images in just a few minutes. You can use icons like a mic, paparazzi, and so on for this example niche of celebrity gossip. Planning your content. Next, let's talk about planning your content. This is where a lot of people get stuck, but it doesn't have to be complicated. The key to YouTube Shorts is to keep your videos quick, engaging, and straight to the point. Since Shorts are only 60 seconds or less, you need to capture the viewer's attention in the first few seconds. Start by brainstorming a list of video ideas. If your niche is celebrity gossip, you could create shorts about the latest celebrity breakups, celebrities in jail, and even the main actors in the latest movies. What's their story and background? What are some scandals they've been involved in? Write down at least 20 to 30 ideas so you have plenty of content to start with. If you're struggling to come up with ideas, you can use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm. Just type in something like, "What are some trending topics in the celebrity gossip niche?" and you'll get a list of ideas. You can also use other AI tools like Jasper or WriteSonic to generate even more ideas. These tools can help you narrow down your niche by suggesting topics based on current trends or what's popular in your area of interest. Even just scrolling on social media and Google News can help you come up with ideas. Once you have your ideas, look for a related article on Google. Make sure that it's a good article from a solid website. Copy and paste the article URL next to your video idea for each of your ideas. Creating videos with InVideo. Now that you've got your video ideas and articles, it's time to actually make the videos. We're going to use InVideo, which will handle everything for us from writing the scripts to putting together footage and adding music. This tool is what will help you automate your channel because they use AI to do everything based on your description. Sign up for InVideo if you haven't already and get familiar with its features. Once you're signed in, you can start making your video. With your trending topic in hand and InVideo set up, it's time to create your video. Take the article URL you copied earlier, and then in this prompt box, type in, "Turn the following article into a 60-second YouTube short for people interested in celebrity gossip. Make sure that it's easy to understand, conversational, and natural sounding. Paste article link." Of course, you can add more details and instructions. InVideo will show these details based on your description, such as the audience, look and feel, and platform. Adjust if you need to, and then click on Continue, and then give InVideo a moment to create your video. You can click on Notify when ready so you can come back to it when it's ready. InVideo will create and put everything together: the script, the narrator, images and visuals, as well as music. Let's have a look at what InVideo created. While the video is great, most of the time we'll want to make some tweaks to get it just the way we want it. To make an edit, we have two options. First, you can type in the edit that you want in the box here. Just prompt the change that you want made, and then the AI will make the change for you. So for example, we can drag the cursor to the start, and then type in the prompt, "Make the beginning more fast-paced and dramatic." The AI will analyze and make the change, and we can check if the change has been made by watching. Perfect. Now, if you want to change something manually, just click on Edit, and then we can replace each media clip with one of our own, delete it, or whatever you'd like. You can also click on Edit Script and make changes here if you want to add, delete, or modify anything. And over here, you can click on Narrator, listen to the options, and pick a different voiceover if you'd like. You can also go ahead and edit the music here under the Edit Music tab. I also recommend asking the AI to add captions to the video. You can just type in Add Captions plus any details you might want. Adding captions is important because it makes your video more accessible, including to those who are hearing impaired or who watch videos without sound. I strongly recommend playing around with InVideo so that you're comfortable with it and can make your videos as great as possible. When everything looks good, click on Export. InVideo will process your video, and you'll be able to download it and upload it straight to YouTube, uploading and optimizing your videos. Once you've got your video ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube. This part is super important because how you title and describe your video will determine how many people see it. When you upload your video, YouTube will ask you to add a title, description, and tags. For the title, you want something catchy that makes people want to click. For example, instead of just celebrity gossip, try something like the shocking truth behind Ben Affleck and J-Lo's breakup. Keep it engaging, but also clear about what the video is about. In the description, you should include a brief summary of the video, along with any keywords that are relevant to your niche. If you're using affiliate links or promoting something, this is where you'd put those links too. The more information you give in the description, the better YouTube understands what your video is about, which helps it get recommended to more people. Tags are another important part of optimization. You want to include tags that are relevant to your video, like celebrity news, Hollywood gossip, or celebrity breakups. This helps YouTube know who to show your video to. After uploading, don't forget to engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions in your video to encourage interaction, and keep an eye on which videos are performing well so you can make more of what your audience loves. Monetizing your channel. Once you start building an audience, you can start thinking about monetizing your channel. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months, or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you hit that, you can start earning money from ads that play before or during your videos. But ads aren't the only way to make money. You can also earn through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products in your videos and include affiliate links in your descriptions. When someone clicks on your link and buys something, you earn a commission. You can also create your own products like merchandise and sell them through your channel. Scaling up. As your channel grows, you can start thinking about scaling up. This might mean investing in better equipment, hiring a virtual assistant to help with editing, or even collaborating with other creators. The goal is to keep growing your channel and finding new ways to engage your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can start making money with YouTube Shorts, all without ever having to film a single video yourself. It's all about working smarter, not harder, using automation tools to take care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your channel and your income. What do you think of YouTube Shorts? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this.